I know. I'm trying everything I can.
That might be my fault.
2 hours before boarding. We have time.
Gate B14. Got it. Race you to check in.
Watch where you're going, Leo.
Seriously? We're all waiting here. It's literally one bag. Relax.
Sure, fine.
Long line today.
Yeah. Should move fast, though.
No rush. We have time.
Hey, was I just in that?
Oh, probably, yeah.
Can you not post that part?
Mind if I get this shot? You'll just be in the background.
That's fine. Go ahead.
Thanks.
Excuse me, can I walk past?
1 sec, I'm filming.
I'll just go around then.
Go ahead.
Thanks.
No problem.
Excuse me, is anyone sitting here?
Just resting my stuff, sorry.
We'll just stand, sweetheart.
Plenty of room, go ahead.
Thank you, really.
Happy to share.
Hey, I was next.
Oh, my bad, sorry. Were you next?
Yeah, thanks for asking.
No problem, go ahead.
Mine's almost dead. Are you almost done?
It's full, I just like the chair.
So, can I use the plug at least?
I might need it again later. All yours.
Perfect timing. Thank you.
Thank you, no problem at all.
Do you mind? Some of us are trying to work.
It's not that loud.
Never mind.
Nobody even knows I'm listening to anything. Of course.
Here, let me get that.
Thank you, that's kind.
Anytime.
Guess I'm standing. Ooh, a clean table. Nice.
Enjoy.
Careful! Other people want these sealed too.
Just looking. Is it okay if I smell this one?
Of course.
Thank you.
This says Group 6.
Worth a try.
Not yet. Please wait for your group.
We're Group 6.
Not yet.
That's right, no problem. We'll wait. Electronics out and ready.
Perfect, Ben. Keep moving through.
Sir, laptop out, please. You were told at the entrance.
It's fine, I'll do it here.
Now. Not when it's your turn.
Okay, relax.
Great. We're all gonna miss our flights. Because of this guy.
I'm going.
Sorry, sir, that flight is closed. It's already gone. My daughter's recital is tonight. That flight was my only way there.
That flight is closed, sir. That man, from security.
From security. He missed it because of me. Yeah, kinda looks like it. Excuse me. That man over there missed his flight because of me. Can he get on this one?
That's honest of you. But this flight is full.
If I cancel my seat, can he buy the ticket?
You're sure you'd be giving up your own seat on this flight?
Yeah, he has his daughter's recital tonight. I can catch a later one.
You're giving me your seat?
Felt like the right thing to do.
Thank you. I mean it.
That was a big thing to do, Leo.
I know. I don't regret it, though. I'll wait with him. You go ahead with the bags. We'll catch the next flight.
Call me the second you land.
You didn't have to stay, you know. Somebody's got to keep filming your videos. Turns out we're taking the next flight instead, which means next time, you're actually coming on the plane with us. Type your idea for what happens up there below. See you next time.